Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Instagram page aesthetic. First, let's talk about defining your unique style and content pillars. Understanding your niche is crucial for attracting the right audience and creating content they love. Once you know your focus, select a consistent theme that truly reflects your personal brand. This foundation will guide all your future posts and stories, making your page instantly recognizable and appealing. Next, let's dive into curating your content. Always prioritize high-quality photos and videos. Clear, well-lit visuals are non-negotiable for an aesthetic feed. Apply a consistent filter or preset to all your edits to ensure a cohesive look across your entire grid. Remember to maintain a balanced grid by mixing up your content types, perhaps 1/3 close-ups, 1/3 wider shots, and 1/3 lifestyle images, to keep things interesting. Achieving visual harmony is key for an aesthetic page. Think about how your posts look together on your grid. Use planning apps to arrange them for optimal flow and appeal. Don't forget Instagram stories. They are perfect for sharing more casual, behind-the-scenes moments that add personality without disrupting your main feed's aesthetic. Most importantly, engage genuinely with your community by responding to comments and messages to build strong connections. Finally, consistency is paramount for growth. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and to ensure your page continues to expand. Take time to analyze your Instagram insights. These valuable metrics will show you exactly what content resonates most with your followers, helping you refine your strategy. And for more great resources, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for deals and other helpful information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.